Once we've done the closure and the students have all mostly successfully done the ticket out the door where they're able to identify compound words, we'll start giving homework. And for homework is a little worksheet. Again, it's a little small, but what we have here is we have compound words, list the compound words that you made. So the students will have to go home and make up compound words. Not only do they have to write the compound word in the compound word column, but they also have to divide the word up into two words, with one column for the first word and the second column for the second word. So again, we use playground. They will put playground in the compound, put play in the first, and ground in the second column for the second word. Again, they will have to identify correctly which ones went. And then they will bring that back. Then we have the early finishers. As far as early finishers, the students will work on a compound word puzzle. And here we're going to use puzzle, something that kids know what to do with when they're growing up. They love to play with puzzles, so it's a little bit of interactive for them. The students will be responsible for matching the words together to make a new compound word, writing the word in their journal as blank plus blank equals blank. So the first blank is the first word plus the second blank, which is the second word, equals the last blank will be the compound word. So that's what we'll do. We'll work with the again, a puzzle as we have here. First one, we're going to have sun, you have home, you have black. Then over here, the other puzzle pieces are work, board, and flower. So they have to put them together. So we have sun up here, we have flower here. So sunflower is a compound word, so they will have to place them two together. After they've placed these two together, then they'll have to go into their journal, at which time they would put the first blank as sun, plus the second blank as flower, equals, and the last blank will be sunflower, putting it together. So again, this is working on separating words, having two words, putting them together for a compound, and then being able to redo it. That would be for my early finishers. For the special needs students, what we've gone through is special needs students we're going to identify as students that are having difficulty splitting the word apart or putting two words together to make one word that will work with a compound word. Students will have visual clues to help build new words or decompose the two words. So basically what we're going to do with the special needs students is that these are the students that are having trouble either putting two words together, separating the two words, or just difficulty altogether. We're going to have little cards that work with them. And basically in the cards you're going to have the word upstairs, compound word. And the two cards that go with upstairs is the first one, which is up with an arrow pointing up, and then stairs, showing a picture of stairs. So this helps the special needs student break down the compound word, and they understand what the two words are together. So they understand that they're going up, and that is the stairs, and when you put them together, upstairs, that you're going up the stairs. So this will help the special needs students as they attempt to complete the lesson plan on compound. For remediation, the students will have two baskets of plastic eggs, and one set will have the beginning part of a word, the other basket will have the ending word. So what we do here, it's a little hard to see, but this is something that we built on before when we was doing suffixes, prefixes, and all. The eggs, the plastic eggs for Easter, really good with putting them together. Makes for simple. So what you'll have is, we have an example here of jellyfish. So jelly will be in one basket, fish will be in the second basket, and the student has to identify these words go together, jellyfish. So they'll have to pick the first word and then the second word and put them together. And then they'll have to correctly identify several of these to be able to move on to show that they've grasped the concept of compound words. For arrangement, what we're going to do here is that the students will make a compound word foldable. And what they'll do is they'll color in. They'll have a sheet that they'll cross over. You have the middle section and then two sides that they bend or fold over to close in. So what we have here is we have horseshoe in the middle. Horseshoe's our compound word. On the first fold, they draw a little horse and put horse, and on the second one, they draw a shoe and put shoe. And this is just a quick reference to help them identify the compound words and then splitting it up again. Again, we use the foldable. It's something fun. They get to color and draw, something that kids like to do, so it keeps their interest and all. Again, this will be easy for the teacher to go by and do a simple formative assessment to see if they're understanding which one, the first word, the second word, plus the compound word. As far as reflective comments, again, it'll be after we've completed the lesson plan and then going in as far as determining what was effective and what we need to work on. But that is my lesson plan on vocabulary. Thank you.